First of all, thanks to Dr. Shaib of Islamabad for providing around 24 literature technical articles by Dr. Asif Sharif on picnic. So based on these articles, what I have done is I made this picnic research assistant. This assistant is basically taking this data from those articles and then converting that one in some knowledge graph. If you are not familiar with knowledge graphs, please visit Neo4j site. So you will notice that one. So the idea is like whoever is doing research, agriculture research on picnic. So what he can do is like he can use this tool in combination with Neo4j. We'll be providing these both these two links to the user or the researcher. So what it does is like based on these 24 articles, you can see that Neo4j it had created a very dynamic knowledge graph. So it is like connecting subjects, different articles in a logical way, so that like any researcher, he can do a research on that one and he can look for some insights as he requires. Here to just to give an example, what we can do is let's why not we take an example and then see. So when user or researcher he opens this research assistant, so this knowledge graph is already attached to that one, but still this interface is not so user intuitive. So what he can do is like he can come here, he can copy this cipher query and then put it there. I know it is like little bit trivial, but that can be like once you start doing that one, it will be quite easier. Because human their thinking that is mostly on the based on the graphical interface. So if we have something graphically visibly good to see, we get automatically attracted to that one. So here I can see that we have one biological, if I click that one, biological economy. So I just get interested, okay, how this biological economy will uh, natural ecosystem. So how this will relate to a natural ecosystem. So what I will do is I'll go there. So it is biological ecosystem. I'll put it there. My question. Okay, let's do this on how water scarcity is handled. Is handled in picnic. So it is doing research. You can see here. It is like sometimes swimming, cycling, running. So here we have this one is output from the knowledge graph, and again this is based on the articles which were provided. So this you can read, or the researcher can read, and this is like again a knowledge graph which is related to that one. So what he can do is like if he gets interested, like how hard pen breaking is related to micropores. So what he can do is like if this is not visible, he can always go there, run this one in Neo4j. Again, this only just copy paste, but it can give you a better visibility. So now it is same thing is shown here, but since this graph was very much clear from here, so I can ask for a follow-up question. Water scarcity, so it is telling me. So okay, how hard pen breaking, so I'll ask this question: how hard pen breaking is related to, I'll go there, hard pen breaking is related to water scarcity. to it. Okay, I'll just quickly write that one. So again, it is running, swimming, cycling, and it gives me an output. You can see here. So we have one follow-up question. So it again give me with all the insights. It is giving me like whatever is reference. Also, it is providing me that one with this knowledge graph. So if some researcher, because I'm not a agriculture researcher or scientist, but they can find more insights in that one. Like for example, how flooding is related to macro pores. So again, he can write that one. So I'll just make this video short. Again, he can ask for five follow-up questions. The one he already asked, so he can ask for remaining questions. So then what he can do is, like, once he found something very good insight. Sorry, I couldn't find something very fruitful. But if some researcher he is working on that one, he can find something very good and very insightful. So here, like what he can do is, like, he can generate a paper if he finds something interesting or something new, because sometimes these knowledge graphs, actually most of the times these knowledge graphs, they give you some insight which like a human eye or even some computer, it is like it is impossible for this computer to, or for the human brain to find that insight. So again, it has given me this research paper with even proper references. Again, it had come from the Dr. Schwab. So I just it is giving me that reference, but that can be like dealt with. So just imagine that based on only 24 articles, we could find something so like powerful. So if we have like access to more papers from Dr. Asif Sharif or from other sources. So we can like imagine that this tool, these two tools, like this one combination with a picnic research assistant, they can be like really powerful. And this how modern research is being done these days. Hopefully you like this video, and then please also share your comments if any. Thank you.